Welcome back, everybody. I know, it's been a really long time, a few years actually, and I am sorry about that. I've had a number of things crop up that have kind of kept me from doing channel content, which I would like to keep up with. Just some things haven't. So I went to school for a couple of years, got a degree, moved out of state, got a new job, got a new house. A lot of stuff has happened, and I needed to concentrate on that more than the channel content. Now that I'm in a slightly better place, I have my own house now, and I can more set up a better review environment for videos. You've always seen in the past, they've kind of been just like little back guest room kind of things where I just shine a light in the corner and showed a couple things. Like, it wasn't real professional. I have a better setup now. I still need to make the actual environment, but I have a better place to do it. And it's quieter, it's cleaner, it's brighter. It should look much better. In fact, better than this right now. My camera is dead. I need to buy another one, so I'm recording this on my phone. It is what it is. You do what you got to do when you're bored. But either way, what I'd like to do is take this channel, and instead of rebranding, we're going to keep it Midnight Ninja. I want to take it more into the PC review and component side of things. So it would be case reviews, NVMe benchmarks, CPU benchmarks, RGB reviews, case review, things like that. That's the kind of stuff that interests me the most. There will still be 3D printer stuff to do, but for the most part, we're going to transition over to PC components, builds, and reviews. So as I get money and get parts in, then I will continue to make content for that, but that's the direction I would like to go. And obviously, if you guys have any suggestions for the types of things you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know. I do have a new case on the way. It should be here Monday, so 3 days from now. And actually, it will be my very first review video in this new direction. And what's going to be is I have a new desktop that I bought off Craigslist. I'll go through all that in the new video. In this case, along with some other things, is going to be upgrading the whole system, and it should look amazing. In fact, some of you might even know what that case probably is. A lot of people are talking about it. Just leave it at that, let you guess. Write in the comments what you think it might be. I'm curious to know how many of you guys can read my mind, you know what I'm saying? So, with this new channel direction, I hope you enjoy it. I will definitely be putting a little bit more effort into the type of content, the quality of the videos, the lighting, things like that. But that is the direction I'd like to go, and I think most of you will probably approve. We will get a little more consistency in the channel, and hopefully we can grow from here. And the more I grow, the more parts I get, the more I can review, and that's always fun. I love doing it with PC components. It's great for me. So I hope you guys stick around. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments, like I said, about the case that you think I'm going to be getting for my computer. I'm curious to know what you think. Sorry guys for the long delay. I will see you again very soon. Have a good one.